Strawberries Stonehenge are sweetened strawberries that stand up on their own, like, well, Stonehenge. The easiest way to make them is to just plunk a capped strawberry upside down on a Hershey's Kiss. The downside is that they're awkward to pick up. So the best way is, well, before we get to that, first things first. Cut out the cap with a paring knife, but make sure to leave a hole. Strawberries are basically hollow, and we're going to be filling that interior space with sugar or something else sweet. Wash them well and dry them off on a couple of paper towels. Now the critical step. Slice off the bottom tip. This is what enables the strawberry to stand up. The best way to sweeten a strawberry is with a sugar packet from a restaurant. If you don't have one, cut off the corner of a small plastic bag and use it as a little sugar funnel. Instead of sugar, you can use anything sweet. Chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, baby M&Ms, honey, granulated honey, dates, a Hershey's Kiss, whatever you've got. Prefer smaller strawberries over bigger ones, since the smaller ones are easier to pop in your mouth. One last point. Be careful how you cut off the tip. Make the cut perpendicular to the axis of the strawberry so it will have good balance when you stand it up. If you cut at an angle, it'll tip over. The cut should be just high enough to create just enough footing for the strawberry to stand on. If you cut too low, it'll fall over. If you cut too high, the hollow middle will spring a leak. The sweetener will drain out the bottom and make a mess. That's it for Strawberries Stonehenge. If you like this episode of Bachelor Food that probably won't kill you, please hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out when the next exciting episode falls to earth. Clicking subscribe also tells YouTube that I'm a real boy. Till next time, remember, the secret to happiness is low expectations.